Hey there, good folks. This is Randy Wild Horse, and I got a brand new phone to replace the T-Mobile Optimus 90. Here it is. It's my nephew changing my new phone here from the old one. You're not in the picture, don't worry.
Just waving.
Okay. Oh,
Oh, nice. You already have it.
you didn't want to be in the picture anyway, right?
Yeah, that's okay. So, oh, nice. You already have the right size SIM card.
I hope so.
So that'll be easy. And then once we set it up, then
Okay.
once we make sure it's working and everything, then we can transfer all your info from
Okay,
the old one to
sure.
the new one.
Then the info part, I'm gonna have to shut off the video. So
Yeah.
I trust most of my Wild Horse fans, but there may be a couple of dishonest ones too. Okay. Okay, so
It should boot up. And then you gotta enter your email and stuff onto here. So.
I can't use my old phone anymore for video because, as you see, it doesn't have a video thing in the bottom. I can't call. That's okay. I'm gonna get a new phone anyway. This is a USB HTC U11 phone. This is what it looks like here. This is what the back looks like. Slide it there. Your Google stuff. How about that? I hope you enjoy the video. This is Randy, and have a wonderful day.